In order to properly estimate the amount of body space covered by burns, the rule of nines has come to be very helpful, and I want to try to explain that today and give a couple of examples. The adult human body can be divided into certain areas: the head, the chest, the abdomen, the legs, and the arms, and then the front and the back. Each one of these areas is broken down into a percentage. Therefore, the front of the arms plus the back of the arms equals 9%. The chest area is 9%, the abdomen is 9%, the front of the legs is 9%, and the back of the legs would be 9%. The groin is 1%, and on the back of the adult body, if you add up the upper, mid, and low back plus the buttocks, you come with 18%. All of them are basically multiples of 9, and therefore if you can describe where someone is burned, then you can then from there estimate the percentage of their body covered by burns. To give you an example, let's say both legs were burned, along with the groin, the front, chest, and abdomen. So we would begin by looking at the legs. Remember, the legs account for 9% front and 9% back. So 18% times 2, because of both legs, equals 36%. The groin accounts for 1%. And then the chest and the abdomen burn would also be another 18%. 18 times 2 is 36, plus 1 is 37, plus 18 means 55% of the body was covered with burns. And you can do this for any amount as you look at the patient. So let's say their chest was burned and the front of both arms was burned. 9% for the chest, 4.5 plus 4.5 is another 9%. 18% of the body received burns. And you can do this by looking at the areas and dividing the adult human body into these regions: head, chest, abdomen, groin, legs, and arms. And doing the same for the back of the head, the upper back, the mid back, the lower back, the buttocks, and then the backs of the legs and the arms. By doing multiples of nines, it makes it much easier to estimate the amount of a person's body that is covered with burns. This is the rule of nines.